Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at the Royal Enfield's 112 scale Classic 500 Battle Green variant, which is manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, what we're going to be taking a look at today is the Classic 500 Battle Green variant of the Royal Enfield, which is a 112 scale manufactured by Maisto. And with this particular diecast model, my collection of the entire Classic series of the 112 scale Royal Enfield would be complete. So before we go ahead and unbox this beauty, let's go ahead and take a look at the boxing, which is a basic window type boxing with the official Royal Enfield logo right in the middle and on the top as well. And on this side, you can see the scale, which is the 112 scale, and the model, which is the Classic 500, which is the Battle Green variant manufactured by Maisto. A little bit of information on the left and on the right, and on the bottom as well, which you can pause if you want to take a read. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at this wonderful, amazing Royal Enfield diecast replica. Well, all I can say is that I'm really glad I got my hands on this Battle Green variant of the Classic 500. But before we go ahead and take a look at this particular diecast replica, there were three variants manufactured of the Classic 500. One, which is the Classic 500 Desert Storm, the Classic 500 All Black, and finally the Classic 500 Battle Green variant, which completes my collection of the 112 scale Classic 500 series. So let's go ahead and take a look at this particular diecast variant. And all I can say is that I'm really mind blown with the particular paint job on this particular replica, and this matte green really stands out with the chrome. And all I can say is that this model is quite amazing collectible with a good build quality and has quite a bit of intricate detailing to it like its real life counterpart. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it an amazing replica. Well, a little bit of information. This model measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at approximately at about 130 grams. Well, this model also comes with the Royal Enfield trademark paint job with signature branding details, and this model also comes with free rolling wheels, which makes it functional, and a kickstand just in case you want to display it. And there's a little bit of suspension at the rear as always, and a rigid front, and a matte green rims with chrome spokes, which makes this model an amazing collectible. And I'm really glad I got my hands on this. And let me just tell you that this is guaranteed to be a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector and hobbyist, especially if you're a Royal Enfield enthusiast. So let's go ahead and put this beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this beautiful 112 scale diecast Royal Enfield Classic 500 replica in the description below. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect, just as beautiful as the highly detailed exterior, and I'm really happy and content with this ride. So with that being said, let's place these amazing Royal Enfield Classic 500 replicas on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these diecast models in a 360-degree view. And I've done individual and exclusive unboxings for the Classic 500 Black and the Classic 500 Desert Storms, where I'll leave the links in the description below, so go check it out and let me know what you think.
And here are a few fun facts. Made like a gun, goes like a bullet is the motto of Royal Enfield, and so is this old school post-war design built around an engine that you can count on. That's classic. The machine that bears on simple pleasures of motorcycling while being dependable enough to ride through any terrain. In it, the tradition of an iconic past exists in harmony with modern technology, timeless, looking through tomorrow. The Classic 500 motorcycle is a part of Royal Enfield's Retro Street series, the bike sports retro styling that distinguishes itself from the rest of the motorcycles on the road today. The Classic range is the highest selling motorcycle in Royal Enfield's range. In 2017, Royal Enfield equipped Classic 500 models with Euro 4 compliance, which included ABS brakes for front and rear and better emission control systems. In 2018, Royal Enfield released Classic 350 models with ABS in some markets. The Royal Enfield Classic 500 are models of Royal Enfield's motorcycles which have been in production since 2009. The Classic 500 features the new unit construction engine in all their variants respectively. This model is more expensive and targeted at a market segment above the Royal Enfield Bullet 500, and the Classic 500 comes in variety of color options. And for further information on Royal Enfield Classic, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Royal Enfield motorcycle replicas, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these amazing Classic RE replicas are your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. Well, kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the diecast episodes in the playlist below. And most importantly, please stay tuned for the entire 112 scale Royal Enfield Classic Diecast Replica Fleet episode coming up next. And this brings us to the end of this amazing RE Classic 500 episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.